Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, Wave to Earth. Hyang. I'm not sure if that is a name, place, or if it means anything. Sorry, I just like the song, and I hope you do that as well. Before we move on with this tutorial, I have a new channel I need your help with. It's a link up here. It's called Growing Guitar, 6 strings ago. And yes, it's a way of learning with a full playthrough. Chord shown on the screen. We love that scenario. Just follow along and learn a full song. That's nice. And if you want to help me out, then subscribe to that channel and let us grow together. Now let's focus on Hyang. And now we have, as you can see, no need for any capo. We need some chords, and that's what you're gonna start with. So G major 7 sus2, a long name for simple grip. You're gonna play like that. Third E. You can play the open A or mute it. Then open D, open G, third B, and second E. And by the way, I mute with my finger I'm using on that third fret E string and just leans on top of that A string. So it gets muted like that, okay? Some technical stuff. That's a G major. Then we have the E minor major 9, okay? It's a little bit different thing going on here. So you're gonna play open E, second A, fourth D, open G, fourth B, and open E. Yes. Crazy creature right there. That's the E minor thing going on. And then we have the A minor 7. Open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. D sus4 next. Open D, second G, third B, third E. Then we have the standard D. And the only difference there is from the third fret E string, you go to second fret D string instead. Sorry, E string. So that's the D. And then we have the B minor, which is a bar chord. You place any finger on the second fret, you push down all strings except from that last E string in the bass. You don't need that one. And then you need to add fourth D, fourth G, and third B. And finally, we have the E. And that goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. A very simple way of handling all these chords. So if you go to the first chord, the G major, you're gonna play 4 downs as one string around. So you notice I'm playing on the third down on the higher strings, but all the other downs I'm playing on the bass, and that gives us this rhythm. Alright, so let's start with the first verse. It goes the G major, 2 string rounds, then the E minor major 9, 2 string rounds, then the A minor 7, 2, D sus4, 1, and D 1. It goes like this. Alright, 2 rounds of that, and that's the first verse. Then we have the pre-chorus at 43 seconds in. You're gonna play now the B minor 2, E2, A minor 7 2, and D2, like this. For all of this, 1 chord progression around, and that takes us to the first chorus at 1 minute sharp into the song. You're gonna play now the G major 4, the A minor 7 2, the D sus 1, and D 1. Play that for 2 rounds, and 1 round goes like this. 2 rounds, and that is the first round, guys. Pretty much next round is repetition. So the second verse played exactly in the same way. The second pre-chorus is played in the same way, but it's twice as long. So 2 rounds of that: B minor, E, A minor 7, and D. And then you're gonna finish off the second chorus in the same way as you played the first one. And that's it, guys. Hyang. That's a cool song. Give it a shot. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.